Once upon a time, there were 7 beautiful puppies who were very happy and playful. One day, they were passing by a large paint factory, which was always very busy with lots of people coming and going. And they noticed that the back door was open. Unable to contain their curiosity, they decided to go in to see what it was like. They were amazed by the size of the factory and the amount of paints and the many people and various things that were inside. They started to run and play around the factory until accidentally they bumped into a lever, and that's when the alarm started to sound, along with several lights. And suddenly there was an explosion of paint. There was paint everywhere. They quickly ran away, scared and in a great hurry. And it was then that they noticed something very funny. Each one of them was covered in a different color of paint. They looked at each other without understanding what had happened, until one of them said,
"Look at me, I'm blue now. Blue like the sky and like a blueberry. I'm red now, red like a tomato and like a strawberry. I am yellow now, yellow like the sun and like a banana. I am green now, green like grass and like a green bean. And I am pink now, pink like a flower and like a little pig. I am purple now, purple like an eggplant and like a grape. I am orange now, orange like a carrot and like a papaya."
Then the 7 colorful puppies went out to play and live new adventures in the world of colors until the next bath time. See you next time, little friends.